Okay, come to a stop. Put it in park.
Yeah.
Put it in park. Now rev the engine. Put it in park. Now rev the engine. So no sound with revving the engine. Only while the car is in motion. It's making a clicking. Kind of a metallic clicking noise.